The ultimate goal of this module is to create a portfolio optimization tool. Let's say we are thinking about investing in some stocks, but we have no clue in which stocks to invest or how to distribute our funds among those stocks. What we might want to get is as high as possible expected return on portfolio, or as high as possible return having limited amount of risks we can take, or for example to decrease dependence of our return from the market. So for building this model, we will first get the price data, then we will build a model interface, and then we will run optimization itself. But also we will do some magic in there. In the model, we will be using such tools as Solver and Data Analysis Toolpack, and these guys unfortunately cannot get updated automatically. So every time you get the data, you have to repeat procedure all over again, and it's time consuming. Can we make it happen automatically? Yes. What we are going to do is recording a couple of markers, and that we will make the whole thing work just with a click of a button. And that would be especially beneficial if the data gets updated automatically with Power Query.